Hey everyone, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. This time around we have the ACG-SAC box number 4. Not really sure what that means because I got box number 3 and it seemed like there was similar cards, but this does say it's the SAC-004 box. So I'm hoping there's a little bit of different type of content, or at least cards. Obviously we know the art style is going to be Sakimichan, which is totally fine, but I really question if these are different cards from the other boxes. So yeah, let's dive right in. Pack number 1. So these are your standard, that's a good first card. Very nice. So yeah, that's your standard 3 cards per pack now with the thicker card stock, which I'm not too sold on just because I like getting more cards, obviously. But it looks like this one, oh, and it is the dreaded puzzle piece. I'm wondering if you get a puzzle piece per pack now, because I think the last box you got at least like one of those like signed dual character cards. So that's unfortunate. All right, pack number 2. Hopefully I get more than just the one clear card and I get an extra special card. Here we go, a nice Persona character. Gotta love the foil. We got Korra. Got some cool characters in this box already. And at least we did not get a puzzle piece, but we did get one of these like gold shimmery variants. All right, pack 3. If that's my hit, the puzzle piece, I'm gonna be pretty mad. Here we go, we got some male characters now. Interesting. Gotta love the gold, or the foil. Outlines are always fun. And again, we got the shimmery, looks like a cyberpunk character. Got the shimmery variant. All right, pack 4. This one feels lighter, so I'm wondering if it's got the clear card in it. Nope. Cool. I do like the gold. The foil outlines are always fun. That's a neat one. These are stuck together. Very cool. And more of those dual characters. I think that's Darling and the Franxx characters. Interesting. All right, pack 5. Usually halfway through, you get the clear card. Haven't got it yet. That was neat. These are all neat. Like I said, I do like this art style. I've supported a few of her Kickstarters. Cool Wonder Woman. All right, pack 6. Oh, that one feels heavier. Notably. What do we got? Yep, this one's got, oh. Is that a golden ticket? Let's take a look at let's take a look at the other cards first. And then we'll get to that one. Nice, we got a Bayonetta. Very cool. And we've got a gold looking card. Whoa. Wow, look at that. I don't know if this is real gold because I've gotten real gold before. I think it was gold plated card. And it had, look at that. Wow. You will buy me more cards. You will donate to my channel. So who is this? Looks like there's like a, oh, there is a protective cover on it. Wow. Holy cow. Interesting. So who is this? Very cool. I wish it was a character I know, but being probably gold plated or just at least like gold looking metal. That's fun. That's better than a rare clear card. Wonder if that's what the hit is in these. Very nice. Very cool. All right, that wasn't lucky 6, or that wasn't lucky 7, that was lucky 6. So probably downhill from here. So pack number 7. Here we got the Yu-Gi-Oh! Black Magic Magician Girl. She pops up a lot. Nice. We got the Genshin Impact card. Mona and Lisa, I think. Pack number 8. Pretty bad that I got that puzzle card, but I got a cool metal card as a consolation prize, I think. Ada Wong, cool. And Naren Tamata cards. Make sure you get her in Nikkei on iOS. All right, penultimate pack, number 9. I always like that foil. Makes the cards stand out. Nice. Ghost in the Shell. And is this from Dead or Alive? Maybe? No, she's got horns. All right, final pack, pack number 10. Good old, is this Gangyu, of course? Oh, nice, we got another Gangyu, I think. I thought it was Ray for a minute. Looks kind of like Ray, though, doesn't it? Yeah, it's gotta be. I was thrown off by the horns or whatever that is. And finally, this is weird. Weird art style. So yeah, that was the ACG-SAC box number 4. Very cool that I got this, what amounts to a metal card. I'm not sure if it's gold or not, but it's definitely pretty posh looking. And so yeah, let me know what your favorite was. Let me know what you think of this series in general. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.